If one of your earbud is not working, for example the right or the left one, let me show you how you can fix this. First of all, input both earbuds inside the charging case, close this case, and in the next step you have to just charge them for like 10 minutes. Just keep them charging and this indicator will light up. Now on your phone you have to go into the settings. If you are using this on the PC, then also the Bluetooth settings, make sure that you are gonna simply disconnect and unpair the Redmi Buds 8 Lite for your device. And now just switch off Bluetooth. Now, let's say that the time is finished, the charging time is finished, so we have to unplug this. And right now you will have to open the charging case with both earbuds inside, and you will have to take a look on this button. You have to click and hold it. And now we are looking for this LED light. We have to wait until it slows down. And after it slows down, 1, 2, and now it will start to blink quickly. We have to release. Now we just perform a hard reset. You have to close this case, wait until light disappear. Now activate Bluetooth on your device, open the charging case, and now you have to search for Redmi Buds 8 Lite. I can find my Redmi Buds 8 Lite, so I'm gonna connect them. And now when you are connected, you have to test if the both earbuds works.